एसिड बेस एंड साल्ट्स की बात करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले चलिए कि एसिड बेस एंड साल्ट्स आया कहाँ से। फर्स्ट टर्म में है कंपाउंड। Compound, it is the combination of two or more elements are chemically combined. It is the combination of two or more elements are chemically combined at a definite proportional by mass ratio, which called compound कहलाता है। When two or more atom or element when two or more atom or element chemically combined at a definite proportional by mass ratio is called compound कहलाता है। As example, H2 the ratio is 1:8. How 1:8? Number of hydrogen is 2 and mass of each oxygen is 1 is 2. Number of oxygen 1, mass of each oxygen 16. 2:16, that means 1:8. It is the ratio. Similarly, as example, H2SO4, the number of hydrogen atom 2, mass of each 1 is 2, 1 sulfur 32 is 2, number of oxygen atom 4 into 16, 2 is 2, 32 is 2, 64, 1 is 2, 16 is 2, 32. That is a compound. It means when two or more atom or elements chemically combined at a definite proportional by mass ratio is known as compound. Types of compound on the basis of chemical characteristics. Types of compound on the basis of chemical properties. On the basis of chemical properties, there are three types. First, acid, second, base, and third, salts. बेसेस, एसिड्स, बेसेस, एंड थर्ड में क्या है, साल्ट्स है आपका। चलिए, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एसिड। Acid. The acid term from acidious. The acid coming from acidious. Acidious, it means sour substance. The classification of acid in two terms. First, classical concept. Second, modern concept. मॉडर्न कंसेप्ट। क्लासिकल कंसेप्ट, मैं डेफिनेशन नहीं लिखने जा रहा हूँ, मैं आपको डेफिनेशन में बोल दे रहा हूँ। आप अगर नोट्स बनाएंगे तो वीडियो को पॉज करके बना लीजिएगा। क्लासिकल कंसेप्ट, दोज सब्सटेंस आर सावर इन टेस्ट those substances are sour in taste, they turn blue litmus paper into red is known as acid. It is the classical concept. Modern concept. First, Arrhenius concept. Arrhenius concept. Those compounds are soluble in water, they furnish hydrogen ion or hydronium ion is known as Arrhenius acid. Those compounds are dissolved in water, they furnish hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. As example, HCl when dissolved in water to give H plus aqueous, Cl minus aqueous. Similarly, you can write again HCl plus H2O, H3O plus and Cl minus aqueous. Second point, NaOH when dissolved in water they give Na plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous. It is also a compound. When dissolved in water they give sodium ion and hydroxide ion. So it is not a acid, but HCl is a acid. But sir, here is H plus ion, here is hydronium ion. H plus ion, that means called proton. They cannot exist in the free state. At a time after breaking H plus ion, they immediately combine with the water molecules and form hydronium ion. Another concept, another example of Arrhenius acid. Next example of Arrhenius acid, H2SO4 is a compound when dissolved in water to also give 2H plus aqueous and SO4 2 minus aqueous. They can also form again 2S3O plus and SO4 2 minus aqueous. That is the next. According to Bronsted concept, the definition of acid. Bronsted body concept. Bronsted concept, those compounds are proton donor. There is no condition for dissolving water. Without dissolving water, that means if those compounds have a tendency to donate proton, that means hydrogen ion. As example, HCl, after breaking they give H plus and Cl minus, it is the Bronsted acid. HNO3, they break down to give H plus NO3 minus, they also release H plus and it is the acid. Another example, QH, after breaking then they give K plus and OH minus, this is not a acid. Next, Lewis concept. Lewis concept of acid. That compounds are electron poor. That means they have a required electron for the complete of octet rules. As example, BF3, it has a required one pair of electron. That means BF3 in their valency 3, they combine with the next 3 electron of fluorine. They also form bond. They in octet rule, in their outermost orbit 6 electron, they required 2 more electron for the octet rule. That means That compounds has a tendency to accept one pair of electron, that is called Lewis acid. It means tendency to accept one pair of electron. Tendency to accept one pair of electron is called Lewis acid. It is the definition of acid according to Arrhenius concept, Bronsted concept and Lewis concept. Next term, classification of acid. Classification of acid. First of all, on the basis of source. On the basis of source, there are two types of acid: organic acid, second is inorganic. Those acids are obtained from plant and animals. Those acids are obtained from plants and animals is called organic acid. As example, tomato contain they contain oxalic acid. Their formula COOH का whole plus. That means you can represent C2H4 C2H2 and O4. Tomato contain oxalic acid, their formula C2H2O4. All organic acids are weak acids. Okay. All organic acids are weak acid. They must be contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, second term, inorganic acid. Inorganic acid. Those acids are obtained from rock and minerals is known as inorganic acid. As example, H2SO4, HCl, HNO3, H3PO4. That means sulfur, chlorine, nitrogen, phosphorus, all are obtained from rock and minerals. All inorganic acids are strong acids. It must be contain hydrogen. It must be contain hydrogen, but not necessary oxygen, and never contain carbon. H2SO4 Exception H2CO3. It is the organic and inorganic acid. Next, on the basis of molar concentration, one is the oxy acid, second is the hydra acid. Those acids are containing oxygen molecules. Example, H2CO3, COOH का whole twice and H2SO4. All are called oxy acid. Hydra acid, they do not contain oxygen molecules. HCl, HBr, HF and HI. That is called the hydra acid. Third, on the basis of concentration, concentrated second, dilute acid. Those acid solution contain less amount of water in it, that is called concentrated acid. Those acid solution containing more amount of water in it, that is called dilute acid. Example, HCl, when you write concentrated HCl, that means it is containing less amount of water, that is containing more amount of water. Concentrated acid and dilute acid. On the basis of strength, strong acid. Those acids are completely ionized in water, that is called a strong acid. As example, HCl dissolved in water, they give H plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. They never break back down. A strong acid, as example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. That is the strong acid. Second, weak acid. Those acids are partially ionized in water, that is called weak acid. Example, CH3COOH. Dissolve in water, they give, that means reversible condition, to give CH3COO minus aqueous and H plus aqueous. That is called the weak acid. H3PO4, that is also weak acid. It is the classification of acids. Next, physical properties of acid. It is physical properties. It is soluble in water. Soluble in water. कोई भी एसिड्स हो ये क्या होता है, वाटर में सॉल्युबल होता है। डाइल्यूशन एसिड conduct electricity after they broke down into water molecules, and they easily conduct to the electricity. After dilution conduct electricity. After dilution conduct electricity. They turn blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red. Next, dilution of acid is an exothermic. Dilution of an acid exothermic. Fifth point, addition of methyl orange. Addition of methyl orange. Addition of methyl orange, they turn into red colored. That is the physical properties of acid, and also it is sour in taste. Sour in taste. This is the physical properties of acid. Chemical property. Properties of acid. Acid react with base. With base. Acid react with base to give salt plus water. Example, HCl plus NaOH, they give NaCl plus water. Second point, acid plus metal, they give salt plus hydrogen gas. Na plus HCl gives NaCl plus hydrogen gas. All the metals are react with dilute acid, not a concentrated acid. As example, Na plus HNO3, they do not react because HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. Na react with H2SO4, they gives Na2SO4 plus hydrogen gas. They easily react. Only exception, manganese and magnesium only react with HNO3. They give salt and hydrogen gas. Another metal do not react with the acid, do not react with the HNO3, but some exception. Copper, silver, gold, all are react only concentrated acid के साथ. copper, silver, gold only react with concentrated acid H2, SO4 and HNO3 and do not react with the HCl because their reactivity is less than hydrogen in the reactivity stage, but the bonding with hydrogen and chlorine, they do not easily break with the copper, silver and gold, so they only react with HNO3 and HCl. They give their product salt, water and another oxide. They react with salt, water and another oxide gas. Okay, next metal oxide react with acid, salt plus water. Example, Na2O plus HCl gives NaCl plus water. These are the example of chemical properties of acid. नेक्स्ट हम लोग फिर देखेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास की वीडियो में। थैंक यू।